Hello, mic testing. Hello, mic testing. Abhishek Datta. Hi, Nair. Sorry, some Windows crash. Maybe too many sessions are running and too many things are running and too many things are running on Windows shell, etc. So, so I think for the rest of the day till probably till 2:30, I think we may see only these two lines. So strongly suggest wait for some breakout or breakdown to happen. Otherwise, read some books. I think the reading habit is totally collapsed. I think. Don't read anymore. Only scrolling YouTube. But see, I don't know how many people listen to e-books. Many are good, especially the autobiographies, etc. They are good. Okay. Actually, more than anything else, now people don't have time. But one interesting conversation I heard with one of the Gen Z, he asked me, why should I read? I didn't know the answer. Everything, any knowledge now you want to gather, it comes audio, video. You say, I don't need to read. I have to only look and listen, and I will learn everything. Understand? But you try talking that to a Gen Z. He says, for us, the knowledge accumulation is not from books. I was shocked to hear that. He says, YouTube teaches you all your basic necessities for your life, normal life. Somehow, no, I tend to agree with that Gen Z guy. See, they are brought up in a different level. There's so much visual and so much audio is gone into their brain. Now they are tuned to that way. I don't know how many of you now. We used to have television only from evening 6 o'clock to 9 o'clock and 10 o'clock. That's all. Okay. Otherwise, we had time. In that also, many programs you don't watch. Weekly once Chitrahar and one Saturday Sunday movie, matter over. So you had all the time. Correct. But you go and talk to a small child now. And I had an interesting conversation about the slang of small kids. Many of them have British or US or the slang which is not spoken in English, that is not spoken commonly. The reason why that person, in fact I do have a granddaughter also, and the way they speak is totally different, and the pronunciation, exactly, they all have that accent, what you call a different accent. It is all coming from their cartoon. Yeah, not only that, it's all coming from cartoon. They listen to cartoon, and how that cartoon character communicate to each other, that language is straight away coming in. So their pronunciation, everything is not from teacher. It is all coming from YouTube videos. So they are getting influence from different things. So Gen Z is totally different. Shocking but true. I think others are totally disconnected with Gen Z. That is my view. Yes. What is day high? English? No strong green candles, absolutely no. It is just lying around 10 or 15 points here. You don't have to do anything, I think. Top 10 shares needs to, yeah, needs to improve. Yeah, then only. No strong green candles. Alignment is also not there. Slowly, one by one, everything is getting into green. So we are at 130. So let us see whether any major change is coming at 130. Eh? But European and everything is flat. Okay, so I don't know whether what is the catalyst that can lift the market up. me. See, actually, this call side, no, above 179 also it can propel. Okay, the problem is, let us assume around 180 or something like that. If you take, even before you can go and make a wick and come down, the price can crash. Those who are scalping above 179, there is a scalping opportunity between 179 to 210. Okay. Oh, I don't know, some problem I am getting with my OBS. The noise that you are hearing, dadang, is connecting, reconnecting, etc. from OBS. That is the one which crashed. Monthly once it happens. I don't know. Maybe it is a open source software. It has some challenges. Well, that is the most convenient for managing the content. Ah. Okay. No strong green candle. Will it come today? Day high. So 130 also no movement. Absolutely nowhere seems to be, everybody is sleeping. Okay, nobody wants to do anything. And there will be some one up move or down move, and that should take care. That's all. Some crazy movement can happen around 2:30. That is what I am seeing. So next 1 hour also I am not seeing much to happen. So whenever you see some green 1.5, 2K, etc., and all, immediately close and book. Yes, we will see whether any senses gamma is there. But that is another 1 hour, Nilesh. Not now. You won't get it. It will take some time. RBI announcement, which time? Tomorrow morning, 10 o'clock. I think 10 o'clock only that the governor will come, Mail. Then there will be announcement. Usually within few minutes he will tell. The only thing that can be surprised tomorrow the market is the RBI decides to again cut the rate. Since things are very low, one side blast can give 5x returns. Yes, live trading. I am also watching that. Basically, you can see that no 25,000 C, 700 CE, 83,000, sorry, 83,500 CE is at now just 39 rupees, and OTMs is slightly expensive. Hmm. So I am looking at 83,400. Okay, which is at 67 rupees, and above 130 only that is getting power strength, because I don't understand. Maybe we have to wait for the decay. Okay. Now this is the time 83,000, sorry, 83,400 is at 71. Now up down game will be taking place, and millions options will get no change hands now and between now and to 230. Okay. And as you go nearby, even though census will be fluctuating highly, these options will decay. I strongly suggest wait for 230, 240 today. Just to corroborate, See, 83,000 solid support and 83,500 solid resistance. And now currently it is at this around this point between two. You can vary 3,300 to 400, 400 to 300, 300 to 400 next to 1 hour. And you will find 20 rupees, 30 rupees, they will eat up the premium. You will say suddenly find one candle going up by 60-70 points and all call premium going up, people will immediately buy, and then next candle will come down. So it looks like they are trying to hold it between these two and make all the money and then let it go around 245. That is how normal pattern is. So I suggest you wait. And like 83,400 is so far away to becoming the pivot strength. In the same way 83,200, okay, it is quoting at 32 rupees, 36 rupees. Actually that looks good in the north side, compared to this is also actually double. Whichever way you look at it, is 68 rupees is what it has to cross. So 83,200 and 83,400, which is just one strike away from the at the money, needs almost double this thing. So wait. I strongly suggest you wait. Absolutely no action here. 83,500 is best for gamma. Okay. It is at 47. It has to, yeah, if it goes now, it can go to 77 and crosses 77, it can go 99. And the low point is just 36. Okay, so 44 to 36 can be your stop loss, but that can come. Now, if you are taking it is a risk as of I am concerned. You should wait for around 215, sorry, 230, 245. My suggestion would be wait. This also will be cheap, available cheap, and you may have a better explosive move. You know, today was a dead day, correct? See, there was one initial sudden movement, that's all. And after that, there's been only just 100 points. Just 100 points. That is 683 to 638, sorry, 624. 683 to 624 is 60 points. Huh? And imagine, Sunday we had a budget and had such a massive drop. Then again on, I think it's Tuesday or Tuesday, we had a massive jump because of our Donald Duck. And now, nothing. Today, if Nifty doesn't close above, close above 817, we are in for a problem. So we are at where? At 632. At least this week it should close at least once above 900. Above 900, actually technically Nifty can become long. So we are far away from that. Remember, sometime back we said Nifty has to cross a 25, 644, 642 or something like that, then only the strength will come. So it went, crossed all the way and went to 26,300, came back, and it is simple standing there only. So now Nifty, it is not clear Nifty is going to go up or go down. Remember, yesterday, go back and check the video. We would have put line on 644 as that now, I think 642 or something was the line we used to talk about. That was the R5 or whatever it is. So if it goes below 642, it will be very bad, very bad. Now it is exactly there. Which side it will swing? Who will blink first? Who will blink first is the question. What you are saying is ducks jump also fizzled out immediately, right? It started with a awesome gap up. Yeah. Opening candle, no trades after that. Yes. See, I don't know, you remember, people remember that I kept saying this is only भावना, not भाव. Okay? ये भाव की बात नहीं है, ये तो भावना का बात है. Why? That is why people said it is only sentiment. Except couple of pharma stock, nothing is there on top 50. Rest, it's all some 20 odd textile companies, leather companies, and gems and jewels company. Those shares are only gaining. These are all in mid cap. They have no weightage on, no absolute zero weightage on Nifty index. But index went. But it's more a sentiment, actually. That's all. 2 o'clock, 2 to 2:30. It made only one touchdown at 3:20. Even in very smaller time frames also, Nifty is making green candle, red candle, red candle, green candle. Smallest time frame. I'm talking about 3 minutes. And I don't know, let me try 2 minutes, even that may be the same case. Wow. Ah. Okay. So boring here. Okay, there is some doubt. I didn't see the WhatsApp messages. So people do message me who are kind of want to remain anonymous. I fully appreciate their stand, etc. The question that was put was why my weak point is higher than the pivot point. That is because once first time you enter, there is there is a power that will come after moving up one particular point. Once it has run up, that original weak point and all will change. Then as the price keeps going up, like trailing, the weak point also will trail. That is why you will find now your entry point is 255 way back, but currently if you are holding, your weak point is 279. It is more or like a trailing stop. Okay. How many of you are expecting some move in Nifty in last 1 hour, or Nifty will end up as a snake? Yesterday we had a 2 to tango something, correct? Oh, but I don't know whether I filled it up or not. No. $25 600 PE and $25 900 CE. This is going to make some money here. The way it looks, 900 is not going to be taken out. Bulls are not going to leave out 25 644 by this week. So by Friday, I think again I will try to bring it up to 680 700 like that, and then hold there. And if it breaks today's PDL, today's what we are on Wednesday only. No, I think adjustment we can do it on Friday, unless and until there is a big so 320 seems to be coming again. Let us see whether this time it takes it and crosses, and then let me check. I will check. If box break, one more definitely whichever side. Okay, I can't expect sideways. Okay, I think it will touch 25 550 and come back. Super. That will be really good. Will be like a snake. That is Ravindra. Ravindra is an option seller, so he spoke like a true option seller. PDL will break, sir. Oh, okay. So Sudarshan, you are sitting on put side. Okay, I understand. If Sensex likely to fall below 83,000, today is seeing the trend. 83,000. Interesting. There is a possibility. If Nifty continues its downward spiral, okay, let us assume Nifty breaks PDL. No, I think the way if it starts to go down, the reason is there is only 3 candles, correct, at this point. 320 has already come. 320 has come again. 55 plus 20, 75 points. 45 plus 65 points. I can't expect. Okay. Patience. Those who are patiently holding it are getting it. This is what? 35, 39 points locked already. 39 points locked. Time to collapse by 4%. Yeah. So that is what I said. You are getting 4 alignments. Usually, let us assume another couple of 2 to 3 alignments, then PDL will be taken out. If we don't get any green dot till it comes here, then Nifty will come here. Now you can watch the momentum meter. Those who are holding, as long as this body, the previous candle body, which is at 25 611, if index does not come above that is 25 611, you can continue to hold. Again like that, for the next one, once it goes below the previous candle body, just keep watching that price of the Nifty. Wow. So this has a bigger target here. So I don't know whether this will continue. At least let me shift it out, because the weakness is on the Nifty index seems to expand the R1 and R2 of this. Okay. So let me change it to 320. This is 359. Let me check whether it corresponds to that 359. We are at 585. Oh, 585 to 559 is 30 points. 30 points, 332 to 20 points, 60% delta. Okay. So maybe at this point of time, this is R3 actually. This is R3 and that is PDL. It looks like the Nifty can turn here, because your target is the resistance coming exactly at that point in our this thing system. It corresponds with the PDL price. Either it can come down or turn, I don't know, but if it does come down, there can be one turn here. So have your sale orders ready. If you are still continuing, just keep it open, and suddenly if the market turns around, turn into market and close, turn the order into market close. Otherwise around 358, 357, I think ideally you should exit. Of course R4 can also come. So this is R3, R4 can also come. So after a long time I am going to talk about percentage. 28%, 4 years of FD return, 4 years of FD return. See the power of R1 and R2. Booked small scalp on PE. Okay. Nifty trying to defend 600. Trying to defend 600. Desperate attempts. Now 600, then 552, then will come 518. All three, from anywhere it can turn around. Time is 2:16. Okay. 240 we will look into gamma. Some time back we were talking about 83,200 PE, correct? I said above 60 that will blast, that was at around 35 or something. Now it is at 82. That was almost at the money at that time. Watch out for the close of this candle. The close of this candle or this candle's body should be below the previous candle body, because we are following Ikinashi. You have to look at the strength of the candle, where the body of this candle is ending. If it ends above the previous candle's body, then the market is likely to turn around. There is no green dot, but there is nothing, no more this thing to go down here. Because already at 7%, 8%, 2%, 3%, everything is at the lowest ebb. No wonder the body of this candle is not able to go down. You don't know. There can be one strike down and then make a big week and then turn, or turn around from here. Below 299, this option will collapse. Then put side will collapse. Now currently at 321, if this representative ITM goes below 299, then the put side options will collapse temporarily. Collapse means it is not that big fall or anything like that. I'm telling you, after that it will lose its strength. So last 1 hour can be brutal today. Some morning it has not given any indication which side it wants to fly. Correct. Very tight regime control. So now it is making doji everywhere. All option prices are making doji. In shorter time frame it is making doji. Next candle, the leading candle towards 230. BNF dead. Oh, rest in peace, rest in peace. Yeah, we have to say that. So people know something about tomorrow which we don't know. From South Block, I don't know. There is enough information that can come through. Because tomorrow is RBI policy, and that is the strongest, technically that was the strongest in day chart above CPR. It is already down almost 350 points. No magic. 230. From 230, the roller coaster ride is starting. 830 is the call or 83,100 put. Okay. So 230 positioning is happening, trying to cross. So if you are still holding some put positions or short, if the price is below yellow line, you can hold, because yellow line can be a resisting point. If it crosses, the second it takes out yellow line of 618, then you should forget. Okay. There, this is a stop loss hunting candle just before for all the put closures. I don't know if this is a stop loss hunting candle. Next candle will come down. Thumb. $299 I said. It is still at 308. You will see the second it comes below 299, no, this put side option, all your put side options will start collapsing. But don't think and trade. Yes, and that is why I am saying watching. You are telling Ajit, you are telling yourself, I don't know, or you are telling me. Did I say that? It is my view, but I am telling just follow only the Nifty price, no. No, about stop loss hunting candle. Okay. I am only looking at the option price, okay. Whether below 229 the option price is collapsing or not. Because that is what my system is telling me. I just wanted to get it validated, that's all. Because this has already run up and we are at R3. This is for future reference only, nothing more. So then I will confidently tell was, if this below this it will collapse. Each time more and more validation, such validations, no, it will give me more strength when I speak. I say I don't have to make some caveats. That is why. Good above 83,000. CE. अरे यार सी क्या क्यों ले रहे हो भैया, कहाँ जरूरत है, कहाँ ओ अभी ग्रीन डॉट आ गया, दैट इज वाई. थ्री 313 313 311. Three not 309. Whether Nifty will take out yellow line price or not is the question. but the market is using this strategy for a while. The box setup, then a fake breakout, and then stop loss hunting, and then breakout. Yes, Ajit, see, you have strategies, correct? You have green candles, this momentum, all that, and say, okay, if it goes below, I will buy. If this goes above, I will buy, etc. The option sellers also bound to have, no. They have got a, see, even though I keep repeating saying that option writer has 66% chance, 299 now. It is 299. See, let us see whether the 299 is working as a support or below that it is collapsing. Just give me a couple of minutes. Hold on, Ajit. Not 6 now, 302. It is wildly swinging. 300. $299. Okay, now I understand what is the significance of this 299 and my system threw up. This 299 works out exactly to the S3, 25,627. You can see. So if that crosses, 299 is going off, and then immediately it becomes weaker. Again, if it comes down, 300, above 300 is coming. Oh, perfectly synced. This is perfectly syncing with 25,627. It is trying to go up. So 5 minutes, I don't know whether we have to wait for this candle, because if this candle has to decisively close above 627, otherwise there can be one more round of selling. Price is just around that. Price is just around that. Any gamma, sir? It is 245. I don't know whether I can. I don't know whether my things this I can't put. 83 400. 83 400, 21 rupees stop loss, and looks like 33 rupees now. Okay. See, if it goes below 22, gone fat, that is 10 rupees. If it starts to move up, the first target is 78. That is on the CE side. On the PE side, it is weak only actually. PE side has to it has to cross 62. Currently, it is at 35. That is 83,200. That is at 37. It has to cross 65. It is showing me 65. Okay. See how long this price is getting held. Oh, 296 now. C side. Nilesh, more I look, it doesn't look like any gamma here. Maybe Nifty maximum, it feel like it will go up to here and then again try come down here. And like people like us who are all thinking gamma will come, तो beta देके जाएगा. अरे gamma नहीं यार, ये बैठा ले लो, बाटा का बैठा ले लो और बेटा का बाटा ले लो. Something like that करके जाएगा, बस nothing. Nalesh, even it is going below that, you can see. Yeah, very slow. 240 you can see, otherwise even though they are not moving, the C side is also not moving, what I am seeing. So what is the point? There is no point. It can again start making big candles from 3 o'clock, I don't know. So it doesn't look like that it is going to trending any side. There is no momentum on any side. Don't try for gammas and all. Decay will happen very fast. Nifty or both Sensex will remain in same place. Simply decay will happen. Looks like today they are totally focusing on time decay for expiry. No trade, no gamma trade. Don't waste money. If it comes, it comes. But as of now, at least I am not seeing anything. Sensex is on an expiry day. Usually it will move 70 points, 80 points in a couple of seconds. It is moving 2 points, 3 points. So Bhama Vijayam only, no gamma. Today is Bhama Vijayam. See, again 299 is coming. Boss, do nothing. It will eat up all your what message? What is that message? Can I hold 83,400 put? 83,400 put. One second, I don't have. $83,400 put. I don't know what price. It is at 158 now. I don't know what price. It looks like if you have entered around 200 or 206, the anonymous who is listening, if entered at 200 or 206, this can go up as long as it stays above 135. The second it goes below 135, this 83,400 put can collapse. Okay. 300, 290, 290, 300. If the market is like this, I will close around 3 o'clock. Okay? Because it's not going to have any. Do I have somebody for class today? Harish, you are there? Harish. Okay. Have you seen that video? The video that I attached to the message. Harish. Oh, not fully. You just rejoined, okay. Because if you have seen that, that would have been much easier. So at 3 o'clock we'll have the session, no problem. Nifty going below, option price going up by 3,000, around crossing 300. If Nifty goes above 627, it come down to 294. Superbly synced price points of free point. Okay. Entry point float. Remember yesterday, last half an hour, Nifty collapsed 70 odd points. Okay. So to be on the cautious side on the long. If people are saying, okay, above yellow line and I have this news, I think it will go up and all that. One is that there is parking light. As of now, it looks like Nifty is going to make some snakes here. Okay. Even otherwise, if you see yesterday's chart, last half an hour, around 70 points it gave up. And Nifty is below CPR and also below S3. So don't try for any last minute recovery or no call trades, etc., unless you have some solid inside information. My view, Nifty can test at least once. If it goes below our yellow line, it will try to test the day low and then again like yesterday. But I can be wrong. No gamma blast or anything. It is already 249, 250. If at all Nifty will try to make move, some move. Otherwise, it is going to hang around S3. Because Sensex not is making any major move. $561 points down, Nifty 156 points down. Now BNF breaking the trend line for upside breakout. Okay. So you are saying BNF is going to go up. Then that will take all the market up, no? What you can know can happen live trading, because now from all red it is now becoming 3 dots in only one dot and dash is wave trend, and indicator is waiting for conversion. That also changes to green, then what you are saying will definitely happen. Okay, here you go for must have. CE side is not looking strong. Both are collapsing here. I am not getting a single at the money either call or put, which which is nearby, say from 20 rupees to 32 rupees. No, what I am getting is now it is, for example, 82,000 PE, 83,200 PE is at 19. It has to cross 60 for it to become par. Oh, 3 times. Like that only I am getting both on put and call. So 3 o'clock, you just wait. Now there is no movement. Even 83,300 CE, which is just 20 point away, needs another 70 points to move for it to really jump. Of course, it can go up to 101. Currently, it is at 46. There is a possibility it can go up to 101, or the stop loss is very low, 32. It is at 43. 32 can be your stop loss, but that within a couple of seconds it can give off also. Those who want to take that risky bet, it is at 45, 32, 45 and 32. That is 83,300 CE. That is the only one I see that there is some this thing is there. It's already gone to 65. I think when I said it was 43, 45, now it is at 55, 56. If next candle is above S3, one more attempt towards say CPR can happen. That can push up calls on SNSX, everything to some extent. But whether it can sustain above C3 is what is the question. Where is the next candle is going to start? If it is going to be a clean green candle above, it can lift both Nifty and Sensex. Nifty at least some another 20-30 points it can lift. Where is that? It is at 106. That is what I told you. 42 to 112 now. Trail your stop losses. I didn't see that. I was thinking something else. It made a top of 106. Now it is back to 70. 90 now. So Nifty can try to go towards CPR, which will lift this also. If it now crosses again 105, it will go up to even 179. First let it cross 106, then we will see. Otherwise it may be a dead. It can go to 130. Okay, at least my system is telling if it crosses 105, I think it says that it can go to 170. Now Bank Nifty should join the party. If Bank Nifty joins the party, Nifty can, but not much this thing here. It's not kind of making powerful moves. It's all going up down, few points only. So it is crossing 106 now. I'm just watching it. If it crosses, it can go up to 177 now. Thank you so much for the day, sir. It was extremely resourceful. Okay, Arish. Very sluggish here. Nothing to write home about. It's not moving in. So it is just going. Again, it is trying to be within the same. So it is not making any major move at all. It went up and now it is down again. You are welcome, Giridhar. Okay, I think Nifty is not going to make any major move. I will close the commentary now and then we can meet again tomorrow. Thanks for all watching. Thank you all.